Hey, hi, this is Manjuha Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to extract only text from a particular cell or the number from a particular cell. We have a data here, small data. It has numerics as well as text. So we are trying to pull only the text in column C and only the numerics in a column C. So for that there is a formula. It consisting of multiple functions added into the function. Okay, it's little detail, so I'll just share you the formula in the description so that you can use it for your respective requirements. Let's say, so I need to pull the only text from the this data, so it has numerics in between and the alphabets. For that there is a formula which has text join, is number, search, mid, and as well as the len. It has multiple function in it. Just copy this formula, just click. So just change your cell, so it is taking from the b2, so I have a data in b2. In case your data is in a column, so you can change this range cell on as per your requirement. Okay, hit and enter. So now you can see it is pulling all the text here. Similarly, for getting the numerics, this is the formula. It has just, I'm using it b2. So just I'm going to remove the space. So now you can see it is taking only the numerics. So these two, it's a big formula of multiple functions. So I'm just going to share this uh, formulas in the description. You can use it as per your requirement. I hope this too was helpful. Please do comment for any new formula. I can try to do it in the future videos. Thank you so much.